Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's AYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. In this video, I will step you through possible fixes for when your iPhone screen it turns black and white. Number one is in the setting app of your iPhone, go accessibility, tap on settings, little bit scroll up and tap on accessibility and tap on color filters, display and text size. Simply tap on color filters. You can see appears on screen. Color filter is on. Simply turn off color filter and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is open your iPhone zoom settings and turn off zoom. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find accessibility, tap on zoom. If zoom is enabled, how to disable? If zoom is enabled, simply disable it and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iOS device. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your iPhone black screen problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply reset your iPhone settings. Tap on settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action and fix iPhone black and white screen problem on iPhone on any iOS. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.